and giving it to us. Brown bread, you want brown bread, you want white bread, you want this bread, you want what kind of sauces. You know, it's like we are ready to pay even 70 rupees for a sandwich just because of the transparency factor. Supporting with quality customer service, very important. May that be you may be in the service industry, or may that be you may be in the product industry. Quality of the service is very important. Out of all of these things, I have again shortlisted and repeated the slide on relevant and consistent factor. Very, very important at the topmost management level to adopt that and be relevant, be in touch with the consumers all the time, be in connection with them. If McDonald's had introduced beef, it would have never been in India the way it is today. It is relevant to the market. Relevancy is what counts, and also, of course, consistency. Loyalty, only a dog's thing today. Being a brand consultant, I am really today even marriages. How many marriages is a question of being loyalty, because so many divorces that we hear, and I was very surprised to read in the newspaper that you can legally file divorce for live-in relationships. Even live-in relationships has legally filing of divorce. Wow. So we have commitment maybe going out of the dictionary soon now. So why do we have so many disloyal customers? If you are going to give the same amount of Docomo, it's coming up, the Docomo brand. It is very nicely launching itself. If it's going to give the same services as its competitor is, people are going to shift to that. Not even being a bit guilty that how will this brand feel. They are happily going to shift to that brand and go with Docomo if they are going to give one or two more services, or maybe the price factor. They will, so that's loyalty becomes the issue then again. Poor brand environment. Kingfisher, Vijay Mallya, today he is giving very nice food, very nice landing timing, then on-time delivery, and flight on the time, and TV में अच्छे movies दिखा रहे. For maybe 1 week's time, if he is not going to do that properly, he is going to be down. You have to be consistently in the market. You have to be on your toes all the time in this competitive world. And if you're going to break promises, here I'm going to like to really proudly talk about Tata. Tata is something which has focused on the trust, emotion of trust so well that people know that even if Nano did not work out there, he at his expense went to Gujarat and kept his promise. And people, that is why have so much faith and loyalty towards Tata. This shows that trust and all these emotional connection with the people is so much important. That is why when Vodafone says we are happy to help and customer is literally happily helping, then customer care people are happily helping, then customers do feel that okay, there's a connection. Yeah, Garnier बोलते हैं जीते रहो, all these ICICI बोलते हैं जीते रहो, Garnier कहता है अपना ख्याल रखना. All these things are emotional bonding which is being created by the companies with the consumers, which is very, very important. And terrible brand stores. By this I mean that highlight one important point at one time. One launch at one time. If you want to bombard the client, people with too many things, they're going to get confused and give up on you somewhere. Now during my research I came up with this very interesting fact of Mr. Mac O. He's a very famous marketing expert. He has placed the Apple logo on the Pepsi can, telling us that such a power, he has called this the magic of marketing and branding, saying that Apple has so systematically used the strategy of marketing and then following it with branding that people are not looking at the product. iPhone, people had a big queue for buying iPhones. How much? It's a fair, it didn't work that much iPhone product. So people didn't see how the product is, but because the logo of Apple was on it, people are blindly buying it. That is the emotional connection through branding and marketing that they shared. Now, the depth, the dimensions of MB, marketing and branding, that is emotional connection with the consumers. And today is 2611, yes. Idea Mobile, 2611, 1 hour they have kept specially for the people to, they're going to give that all to the victims of 2611 to the police commissioner. So that is making people think seriously. It's a serious brand. We look at it now seriously, but it's doing something for the society. It automatically generates loyalty and love for the brand, so it builds that. Then brand personality, right packaging, right designing, right, I'm just running through this in a nutshell. And building brand confidence. How do you you have people should suggest start doing mouth publicity for you. It works. It works. Movies, especially, only if my friend tells me it's a good movie, I'll go ahead and see it. So that's mouth publicity. So it has a huge power. Though it's been the first tool, it has a huge power in it. Next slide. Now, marketing and branding and you. After we've understood the dimensions, the marketing concepts, the branding concepts, the uniformity of branding and marketing together, let's look into the role of marketing and branding of the staff, of the employees, of the management, of every part of the company, is to focus only and only on the customer after your foundation has been strongly anchored. Be in connection, be in rapport, be in friendship, be in love with your consumers. Very, very important. That emotional connection, may that be even your operator picking up the phone and saying, "Hello Mr. Mehta, how are you doing today? Have a nice day." She just remembered his name and greeted him. It took a long way. Maybe it gave you a big business. You never know. So even the way your watchman opens the door and greets your client, it makes a difference. So right from your watchman to your telephone operator to the management to anybody, if there is a continuous uniformity and a continuous connection with the consumers that you are going to maintain, it takes a long way. That is why at McDonald's we feel similarity in all the McDonald's we go, because they spend lakhs of rupees only to train that love and bonding to be created in their with the consumers, which is very important. Fulfilling the consumer's desires. Satisfaction is one thing. They give me, I wanted a mobile, they give me a mobile. Okay, with mobile, Nokia give me a mobile. Mobile के साथ आपने और क्या दिया? That is the surprise element. Maybe they gave you the mobile cover with it, just complimentary as friendship, whatever. That's the element of surprise that will delight the client, that will generate loyalty amongst the people. That delight factor is important more than satisfaction. Satisfaction everybody will do, all your competitors will do. But if you will surprise them with some surprise element, it's going to take another way. Be trustworthy. We salute Tata for that, being strongly and emphasizing on this emotion of trust and taking up in along with the factor of trust. And continuous nice customer relationship management forum, training your staff rightly and building that internal rapport which will portray outside also is very important. Finally, moral of the story is marketing and branding go hand in hand. So we today's business very important. Tailoring your message, being to the point, not exaggerating and making it too loud, and connecting with your client, being positive and always in rapport with the client helps in a long way. Healthy branding, since we are a brand clinic. And thank you very much to Rotary Club Mandvi and Uptown. It's been incredible to be invited to your club, and it's been a wonderful moment. Thank you.